In this song for our Christmas extravaganza, I'm bringing in a really special guest to join me on this one. We're going to have a little fun on this one. We're going to do the rendition of the Wham! Classic Last Christmas. Welcome to UKElikethepros. I'm Terry Carter, and I'm so glad that you're here with me and Andrew Hoyt. We're going to do our rendition of the classic song Last Christmas by Wham! But slow down. Before we get there, we're here in this Christmas extravaganza. We got a lot going on. All right, a lot going on. We got killer songs. We got killer backing tracks. We got killer live stuff. We got behind-the-scenes stuff, private Zoom calls, and all that stuff. And it's all available. Giveaways. Tons of ukulele giveaways as well. But it's all available to you. VIP access to this Christmas extravaganza. We're going to put a link to that below. That's going to give you access to everything I just mentioned. Or even a better solution, head on over to ukelikethepros.com. We'll put a link below. And become a platinum member. All right, that's our new membership. It's going to give you access to everything. All the courses, all the live stuff, the Q&As, and VIP access to all the stuff we do, which are challenges, workshops, extravaganza, giveaways, all that kind of stuff. Platinum membership. All right, I am playing my Koloha Mango tenor, and as you can see, you'll see Andrew is also going to be playing a Koloha as well. If you like Koloha or need anything else, we have over 20 brands, the #1 store online, which is store.ukelikethepros.com. And this is something we've been doing lately. It's something new we've been trying out. We're giving away ukulele every month, right? Separate from this extravaganza every month. If you want to have a chance to win, it's super easy. Subscribe to the channel and go sign up below on that link. It's free to sign up, and then once you're entered or once you're signed up, you're going to have a chance to win that ukulele. All right, so here we go. We're going to do this song. It's only going to be 4 chords. 4 chords for the entire song. All right, come on. Let me show it to you. 4 chords for the entire song. Now, I decided to keep it in the original key, which is in the key of D major. Now, this was a challenge for me as well because the vocals for this is actually a little high as well. So I had to practice. I know what? I had to practice? I had to practice for a while to get this and feel comfortable with it. So, all right. Let me show you the chords real quick. So it would have been easier, obviously, to do in like a key of C, but we ain't always about easy. Right? Always about easy. Plus, it's cool to keep in original key. All right, so we're going to have a D chord. Every chord's going to get 2 measures. All right, so this is a 2-measure thing, and then it just loops over and over again. So 2 measures of the D. Now, I'll show you the strum pattern in a second. B minor. That's a bar chord. That's a bar chord. To E minor. And I'm just doing that 4-finger E minor because your finger's already there, right, for the B minor, E minor, and then A. And that's it. So the way they change it up, when you hear with the back there, which is killer, the way they change it up is by having the music change its energy to distinguish the intro versus the chorus versus the breaks versus the verses. And that's it. That's what you have to do when you only have 4 chords. All right, now let me show you this strum pattern. I'm going to show you basically what you could do for the whole song. I might vary it a little bit, but it's basically the island strum with some mutes. All right, so the island strum, let's just go to your D chord. Just down, down, up, down. All right, you could do that. Remember, two measures per chord. So that's cool. That will totally work. But to really kind of make this sound cool, I'm going to add 2 mutes on beats 2 and on beat 4. So I'm going to go down, mute, up, mute, up. All right, join with me. Okay, let's do it. 2, 3, 4, and now to the B minor. Now E minor. And A. Now I'm getting this muted sound or this chuck from right here on the side of my hand, which is hitting the strings as I strum down. Now that's it. Now all you got to do is lock in with the backtrack and do the lyrics. Who's my singers out there? Are you a singer? Are you going to sing with me? Leave a comment below if you are, if you just digging this so far. All right. Now, when you think of last, that's your melody note right there, that E note. Last Christmas, I gave you my heart, but the very next day, you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I'll give it to someone special. Now, I decided to go up to the higher range where I have to get into my falsetto. You could do it a little lower. Last Christmas, I gave you my heart. I mean, it's cool, though. It totally works. I wanted to challenge myself a little bit. All right, so we're about to do this now with the backtrack. Everything's the same except the form. All right, so we're going to have a little intro. Then we're going to actually go to the chorus. That was the chorus. That last Christmas. All right, that's the chorus. We're going to do that twice. Then we're going to have a little break section. Then we're going to go to a couple verses, back to a chorus, right? Back to another little break, right? It's a little break between the verses, and then a verse, and then we're going to take it out with the chorus, and we're going to do a nice little fade out at the end. So, all right. Are you ready? Come on now. This backing track is killer. Our special guest is ready to go as well. So, come on. Let's do this. This is Wham! Last Christmas. 1, 2, 3, 4. How did you do on that? Whoa, before though, let's give it up. Let's give it up to Andrew Hoyt for joining us. We wanted to do this rendition of the original Wham version of this song. But anyway, 4 chords, the whole song. Not necessarily the easiest chords. Again, this is the original key of the song. But a lot of lyrics, great lyrics, right? Fantastic lyrics. But leave a comment below on how you did with this. If you want the backing track, which is killer, right? That is a backing track pair made for us, right? That's not the original. It sounds like the original. If you want the backing track, if you need the lyrics and the chords and all that stuff, we got a couple options for you. One, you just become a VIP. And VIP for this Christmas extravaganza, you're going to get access to that, as well as private access to some of the live stuff and other stuff we got going on for this extravaganza. Or just become a platinum member. That's our new membership at ukelikethepros.com that is going to give you access not only to all the courses, not only to all the Q&As, but VIP access to all the different challenges, workshops, and things that we do, or extravaganzas that we do as well. So anyway, all right, Ko Aloha, Mango Tenor. Andrew plays a Ko Aloha as well, but if you need a Ko Aloha or anything else, store.ukelikethepros.com, the #1 site for all your ukulele needs. So anyway, I appreciate you joining us. Thanks for the comments, subscribing to the channel, all that stuff. Don't forget, we do give away ukulele every single month. So subscribe to the channel, click that link below to go sign up, and then you're automatically entered to win that free ukulele. So, all right, I appreciate you being here, and we'll see you next time.